Android is without a doubt the most popular mobile operating system in the world. But long and forgotten is the time when Android was strictly a mobile OS.
Hey guys, first of all, no, I haven't gone crazy and went back to text-to-speech. There is an explanation for why I make this video this way, but that explanation is not for today. I will talk more about it in my next video, which should be online in the next 2 or 3 days. But for now, let's go back in the video and see which are the best Android operating systems for PC. With Play Store.
Now, if you open on Google and search for the best Android operating systems, you'll find a bunch of articles like Top 10, Best 12, Greatest 7, but in reality, there are just 5 Android operating systems based on Android x86 project with Play Store. In this video, we will go over the best and only 5 Android operating systems with Play Store. And if you're wondering why only 5, is because we will not include operating systems like PrimeOS or FydeOS, which in our opinion, they are a totally different thing. There are Android operating systems and Chrome OS with Chrome OS forks. The same goes for emulators like BlueStacks or Nox Player. Despite everything you see on Google when you search for the best Android operating systems, emulators should not be in the same category because they are something else entirely. When it comes to which one is the best, it's just a matter of preference. You have PrimeOS for gaming, Bliss OS for a more serious, day-to-day use, or Android x86 if you want something that resembles very much with a phone or tablet. But enough about that. Let's start the video and take a look at the only 5 Android operating systems worth mentioning. 5. Remix OS, latest stable version, Android 6 Marshmallow. Remix OS is a desktop operating system based on the Android x86 project. It was designed by Jide Technology, a company founded by 3 ex-Google employees. The Remix OS tablet environment is based on the Android 6 Marshmallow operating system, which was released in 2015. Even if the OS is dead, without any hope for resurrection, you can still find many websites from where you can download it. And being a very old operating system, without any updates since years, it's ideal for those older devices on which something like Bliss OS or PrimeOS would not work. Due to the popularity and affordability of Remix OS in Asia, similar projects have been made by various firms. Remix OS is known to be the inspiration behind other Android operating systems like Phoenix OS or PrimeOS. 4. Phoenix OS, latest stable version, Android 7 Nougat. The second on this list is Phoenix OS. We understand that some of you might find this a little weird, but the reason why we've put Phoenix OS before something like Android x86 is simply because ever since 2019 there are no new updates, leading the OS at version 3.6, which is based on Android 7.1. And we all know what that means. Old version equals limited features. However, if you are familiar with old Android 7 smartphones, or especially tablets, you'll find Phoenix OS very easy to use. The interface is very similar to Android Mobile, so most users will be able to figure it out without any trouble. Like all Android operating systems, Phoenix OS can be installed on a hard drive or run as a live operating system from a USB flash drive. Phoenix OS was first released in February 2017 by Chinese company Phoenix Technologies. The operating system is available in English, simplified Chinese, and traditional Chinese. 3. Android x86, latest stable version, Android 9 Pie. Android x86 is basically the source of inspiration for all this operating systems. Is an open source project that aims to port the Android OS to devices running on Intel and AMD x86 processors, but also on 64-bit. There are a few benefits to using Android x86 on your desktop or laptop computer. Firstly, it can allow you to use Android apps on a larger screen. Secondly, it can provide a more secure environment for using Android apps, as you don't need to worry about your data being stored on cloud services. If you're ready to try out Android x86 for yourself, head to the project's website to download the latest version. Keep in mind that not all apps and features will work correctly on Android x86, or with all of them for that matter, so be prepared for some possible glitches. However, with a little patience and tinkering, you should be able to get the most out of this unique operating system experience. 2. Bliss OS latest version, Android 9 stable, Android 11 beta, Android 12 alpha. Bliss OS is an open-source OS based on Android that incorporates many optimizations, features, and expanded device support. And it is available for just about any Chromebook, Windows, Linux PC, or tablet released in the last 4 years. Similar to Windows, you can add apps to the taskbar for quick access, as well as launching them in windowed mode rather than the full screen. This way, you can have 2 or more apps side by side. What we personally appreciate about Bliss OS is that even if it's one of the oldest Android operating systems for PC, launched in 2017, it keeps getting updates probably the most from them all. Current stable version is based on Android 9, but there's also Android 11 beta and recently added Android 12 alpha version. The Android 12 alpha is not yet recommended for users. Bliss OS comes with a variety of added features for compatibility with ARM and ARM64 apps. Also with support for Widevine, L3 DRM to play Netflix and Amazon Prime videos, as well as added configurations for gamepads and profiles for Tinker Keymapper, allowing users to set their own style while playing games. 1. PrimeOS latest version, Android 7 stable, Android 11 beta. Even if in our latest PrimeOS video regarding the beta version based on Android 11, we weren't that happy with the OS, in fact less than happy, disappointed actually, we still feel like PrimeOS deserves the first position on this list. As long as you don't get near the new beta version and stick with the older Android 7 version, everything should be just fine. PrimeOS is aimed towards mobile gamers, promoting itself as the best gaming Android operating system for PC. It's based on Android x86 and offers a range of features specifically tailored for gamers, including game streaming, gamepad support, and a built-in game center. With its own key mapping functionality, the Decap Pro Keymapper, which is one of the best key mapping tools for Android operating systems, you can assign keyboard keys to Android game controls. This concludes our top 5 Android operating systems for PC or laptop. We hope that this video helped you decide which operating system suits your needs, and if it did, please don't forget to give it a like and why not, subscribe so you won't miss the latest videos to come. Thanks for watching.